Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video I will say how to solve this problem. Okay, this is the problem which occurs during the installation of Windows, and it says that a certain drivers are missing, whether it is USB, DVD, or hard disk driver. Okay, and without fixing this we can continue our installation. So what you have to do, we have to just look after this error, and there are a lot of process to solve this error, but I'll say a simple and a general method to solve it. And first of all, you can see this error right here. A media driver your computer needed is missing. This could be a DVD, USB, hard disk driver, and it says that you should insert those drivers to continue the installation. First of all, to solve this error, what you have to do, you have to take out, you have to pull out your USB drive or CD which you are using to install it. Okay, first of all, you have to pull out that USB drive or CD, and again insert that USB drive into another port. If it is in one port, then you have to take it out and put it in another port, just like that. I'll show you how to put it. Okay, just wait. Okay, pull out your USB drive or bootable USB drive from this port and insert it into another port. Okay, and follow the instruction that I'm going to advise you. So just leave this and let's go to the installation. Okay, after taking out the pen drive and inserting into another port, just you have to close this after that process, and again close this. Yeah, go for S and go for again install now, and just wait for some time. Okay, right here it appears and we have successfully solved our problem. Now you can install your Windows 10 or Windows 7. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll make such video if you like and subscribe my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Join Nepal.